We will be learning how to make Play-Doh. In the large bowl, I will add flour and salt. Let's mix. In the small bowl, I will add warm water, vegetable oil, and food coloring. Let's mix. Now I will put 1 cup of flour and salt mix from the large bowl into the small bowl. Let's mix. As you mix, you will begin seeing the dough form. Move the dough to the table and begin to knead. If it is too dry, add water. If it is too sticky, add flour. You have Play-Doh. Now let the family enjoy playing together.